Welcome guys, how you doing? That was perfect timing. Apart from that there is a problem, there is also people that are here to create a solution.
We're in the process of driving around the whole planet on a journey that we're calling Unite the World Firsthand. So we start these cleanup parties with the focusing on our fundamental consumption. That is, what are you thinking, what are you feeling, how are you breathing, how are you holding yourself?
Why are we doing this? It's not our rubbish. So why are we doing it? You know, is it going to affect those people that are throwing the rubbish? Maybe. Probably not. But I want you to have a quick look around everyone that's here right now. It's more for us, right? It's more for us that really do understand that direct connection that we all have with our environment. We've got water, we've also got some fruit and things. We might just have a quick little snack before we get started, before we get our hands dirty. We have also got gloves for those hands as well, for anyone that didn't bring any along. I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody that showed up this morning. We really do appreciate it, I really appreciate it. And let's have some fun, you know, let's enjoy today.
Who's excited? Let's clean up some garbage!
I want to say a massive thank you to everybody for coming along. I hope you guys had fun. And first off, I want you guys to all give yourselves and each other a pat on the back and a round of applause. I love this. How cool are these? These two amazing human beings. They are characters.
Yeah,
Absolute
right.
characters, beautiful characters. Blessed to be in their presence.
Blessed to be in yours.
And the cameraman.
Doing the cleanup itself, this is my first time, and I've always wanted to do it, so that was amazing. And then started with like yoga. I was so relaxed.
That was such a game changer for me because I realized, oh my god, I'm really standing on the ground, and it gave me like good centering to go into what's to come. And actually I can still feel it, like it's still there.
It brings you in another state, like you're like very calm, like very united, ready to start, like it's beautiful. I think that changes everything.
Me encantó todo, la verdad. Me encanta que empezar así con una sesión de qigong, yoga, como que uno carga energía. La verdad, muy lindo. Gracias.
The people who finally came up, it was really good to see all the people together and doing this.
It's just an opportunity to connect with the local community, whether or not it's temporary or people living here for long term. The ability to both clean up an area, to have a sense of connection to it, and to connect with the people there.
So this cleanup party was a huge affirmation for me, for us, in watching the evolution of our vibration of these cleanup parties as we continue to practice this skill that is internal and external cleanup. We begin to get results like this, rewards that is large groups of people working together, believing in each other in this sort of attitude, in this sort of lifestyle. We cleaned up an entire stretch, 1 kilometer long, of beach and roadside today in 2 or 3 hours. And it started small, even with us, a group of 9 people. By the end of it, 25 people had joined in, and tons of garbage picked up. So it's really a great affirmation, and I wanted to take this moment to share some gratitude and recognize to you out there that this works. Apply yourself. If you need a hand or some words of encouragement or anything, reach out to us. Follow along this journey by searching Unite the World Firsthand.
And please become a sponsor at patreon.com/Unite the World Firsthand.
Link is in the video description.